Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial for Akeneo Product Association Position Changer. And so using this module, admin can change the position of the associated products for product association as well as for product model association. So for changing the position, you can just simply use drag and drop technique and you can change the position of the association, and this same position of the product and product model association will be used while exporting the products. So let's go to our Akeneo admin panel and let's go to here, the product section, and here let's click on this product, and after that you can click here on add associations button, and here we have all the categories, and we can select the different category and select the products from that particular category. So let's say that we want to add these 3 products, and let's take these 4, and in the right side we can see the details of all the products that we have added. And after that here we have the filters. So you can select the different family, and you can select the complete this as all yes no, and you can select the status as enabled or disabled for the products. And after adding the products you have to click on confirm button, and after that you can see that all these products are listed here. And after that you can just simply select these products and you can drag them like this, so the position of this product can be changed. So you just have to drag them from here and there, and the position would be changed for this. And after changing the position, you just have to click here on the save button. And now in the same way you can do for product model as well. Now let me take you to the product section, and from here you can select the products and all the products which you want. After that you can click on the export button. So let's select this product and click on here quick export, and we can select the CSV, all attributes and these all things. Let's click here on export, and we will see a pop-up here that quick export has been launched. And we can go to here in the process section. We can see that if our process is completed or not. So we can see that our process is completed. So now let's click on download generated files. After that we can click here and we can download the CSV file. Let's open the CSV file, and we can see here that that associations like we have in the end cross sell product model. So we have bag, belt, hat and scarf. So this is the same position that we have selected by dragging and dropping in this module. So this was all for this module. So you can, if you are still having any queries, you can drop a mail at support@webkul.com. Thank you for watching this video.